Let's get to business now with Nona Peltier. Nona, Fletcher Building is saying it expects its operations to survive the economic fallout from COVID-19, but there will be costs. And obviously we've been hearing about the workers. So what's it announced?
Yeah, so we're talking about those 9,000 workers that Fletcher Building has and what they're doing to address those concerns. One of the things they're talking about is paying, sort of a scaled down payment schedule, so over some time. Just a second, I think I'm hearing two sounds here. Just technically speaking, just give me a second here, Lisa. I'm just going to
Well,
turn
bear
something
with you,
off.
Nona, while you fiddle around with your home studio there for a second.
Yeah,
Nona
there you go.
is.
We're good now. We're good to go now.
So you were saying?
Yeah, sorry, I was hearing you twice, Lisa. It's not so good, although you sound great both times. The idea that the company is going to have to deal with all of these staff issues, that makes up about 2/3 of the company's costs. They've done what they can to address some of the others, but definitely that was one thing, and we heard quite a lot of that earlier in our report, which of course would be accessed on the website if people want to hear more details about that. But look, the market was pretty satisfied with it, and the share price reacted by increasing about 1.4%. So that was a fairly positive reaction to the package that was detailed today.
And what else has been happening on the markets today?
No, we talked about Kathmandu doing a capital raise yesterday, that $207 million. Well, the company has now come out of its trading halt. And with, I guess what you'd expect. So we were at $1.12, I believe, the day before the trading halt was announced. Then they came out saying that they were going to do a deal so you can buy a share for 50 cents. Well, we saw that the price was down 28% today to 81 cents. So that's what you probably would expect to see. Interestingly, I looked at how NZME has been faring following the Bauer announcement today, because you would think, gee, how is the market going to react to that? And it's been a while since I looked at NZME, and that share price ended up 1.6%. But look, there's not much to cheer there. That's at 19, that's 19 cents a share. It was 58 cents a share at the start of the year, and that was already down from when it was issued sometime, I guess, a couple of years ago. So look, there's nothing to cheer on the media space, and that's pretty daunting to have to face that in this industry. Overall, though, the market ended down 0.6%, which was pretty good after Donald Trump came out earlier overnight and talked about what is a horrific situation facing the the United States economy, with jobs data out later on today. So anyways, we finished down 56 points, 9,871, and which is much better than Australia, which was down about 2%. The Kiwi, little change, 59.3 US cents, 97.4 Australian, and 48.9 British pence. Steady as she goes.
Thanks, Nona. Good to see you. That's Nona Peltier reporting from her home studio there.